Dearest Berglind, today is Friday the 5th of December and I'm about to get a train to Edinburgh. I'm going to walk around, I'll see the castle and the sights and take the train back to my puppy at night. Hope this letter finds you well. Bye. I bought the healing stone from Dublin and for like €9, and my godfather had given me some money, so I found this shop and walked in and bought this stone, and I was feeling awful and dizzy and needed something to calm down, and so I bought this stone, and then later on I went back for a healing session with a woman, and yeah, I was seeing visions when I was lying back, seeing visions, and someone died in one of the visions as well. This body kind of just came across my eyes. It was really a strange moment. So perhaps I would talk more about that and your last one of the angels and whatnots. Okay. Yeah. Along the lines of what this healing woman was saying in her chanting and meditation. So thanks for your last letter. Yes, I'm going to Edinburgh now. Cheerio.